Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Blackjack Burger. Now, normally I'm starting to come around to adding stuff to the meat, so 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I know I've spoken about it in the past, but hey, you got to keep yourself open to new experiences. A garlic clove that's been minced, a teaspoon of Worcester sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of steak sauce, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And you want to add all that to the meat. Oh, and I forgot to bring up, you want to have about 2 tablespoons of diced onions. And then just start working everything together with your hands. And then you want to form into 3 equally sized patties. This is, by the way, where a kitchen scale becomes a phenomenal little tool. You can pick one up at any retail store. I think they're about $12. They're not that much, but good thing to have in your kitchen. Make sure everything is even. And as you can see, they're sizzling away. They'll take about 5 to 7 minutes aside. Remember that these patties are a little looser than normal, so it is a good idea to use a griddle rather than a grill. You can see I did that one wrong. A piece of it came off. Don't worry, cheese will be added, and that should be the glue that holds these patties together. All right, we'll see everyone in a minute. All right, as you can see here, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, the burgers are done. I just put a little water to create some steam to melt up that cheese, and only really thing left to do is pull them off and get them ready to plate up. And while the burger patties are resting, make sure you toast up some buns. Okay, and as you can see here, we got our nicely toasted buns. And we're going to be adding some iceberg lettuce, because that is the best lettuce for burgers, to the bottom bun. And one of our patties. And, of course, pickles. Guys, remember, if a burger doesn't have pickles, it's probably going to be garbage. Little bit of mustard. That was the hot mustard I made a bit ago for the Homer Simpson cursed turkey sandwich. That stuff will keep a couple of weeks in the fridge, if not a month. Some ketchup. A few more onions. And put the top bun on top. And that's really it. That is the Blackjack Burger. Gonna give this a good old slice on the inside. And there's the pull apart. So the next time you're looking for a good burger, give this one a shot. All right, that's the Blackjack Burger. Done.